So this is gonna be like just for my eyeliner. So I normally do just like a stark wing, but I've been lately just doing a more smoky blended out wing. I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Demolition, and I'm gonna be using a slanted eyebrow brush. It's really thin, so it like makes really crisp lines, which is what we need. So first I'm gonna load up my brush with some product, just a little bit. And first I'm just gonna like cover my lash line first, and then I'll worry about like the flick afterwards. So first I'm just lining my lash line, getting that covered first, because that's obviously going to be the darkest part. So next, when I'm trying to make my shape, I never take it all the way down to my outer corner because I don't want my eyes to slant downwards. I want them to slant up. So I always take it right just before my eye ends, and that's when I take it up. It's not like a quick flick, I just kind of like make my way there so that I don't make any mistakes. And sometimes I find it easier to take it like backwards, the brush backwards, and to like just go that way with the shape. So I'm really just like building up, switching sides of my brush both times just to kind of go this way, and then to kind of bring it out and then keep building it up that way too. I'm not touching this bottom line again because I want that to stay really crisp. So we're gonna put shadow over it, and I'm gonna smoke it out even further. So this cream part, or this eyeliner part, needs to be like kind of even. So that's the first eye. I might bring it in a little bit further, like here, just for definition. I'm going to show you the right one too, because the way I hold my brush and the way that like my head tilts is different because it's a different side of my face. Sorry, hi guys. I feel like I haven't smiled the whole video. I'm just like in the zone. So already, head on, you can see like the difference in my eye shape. So like this one, bringing my eyes out this way, whereas this one, it's like, you know, has nothing on it. The reason that I like to use a pencil too is because it blends out way easier when you're trying to make a wing. Like it already diffuses the edges for you, which is what you kind of want with a wing, at least like on top here. So I gotta look straight on. So again, I have the bottom line done. Now I'm just gonna blend it a little bit upwards to match this side. So next I'm just going to take a dark brown eyeshadow and just blend the top portion right here. This part's the most important part, I think, because it just like adds that finishing touch I think that it needs. So I'm literally only going to take just like the dust of some brown eyeshadow, so just like what's left in this little thing. This is just a flat, straight brush. It's not angled. Okay, so first I'm going to place the color right along this bottom crisp line. So just that right there, like that's all you have to do. You don't have to really wisp it out anymore. Like the less you do, I feel like with these looks, the better, because then you're not messing it up and you're not blurring out lines that don't need to be blurred. Then I'm just going to set it right on my lash line too, where I want it to be the darkest. And then I'm going to just kind of pat it all around the rest of my wing. And also when I get to this top line that I want to diffuse, I'm just kind of picking up and pulling towards my eye. And two, I'm holding my brush like this to my eye. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm not going any lower than this crisp line. So I'm literally just staying above this line and kind of picking it up like very gently, you know, taking a second to look back at it and see like what it looks like so far. If it's not up to what I want, I keep blending a little bit more. Just like that. So obviously, like with my face, I know that like both of my eyes are differently shaped. So it's very hard for me to make them look completely even. I just make them look similar. So it's whatever. I'm just trying to match the height, I guess, that this comes up to with, you know, this side. I'm taking my brush up like this and I'm just kind of pulling. Such weird dumb faces when I do my makeup. So I'm done placing my product. Now I'm just going to take a clean, fluffy brush. I always got to do that when I pick it up because it's fluffy and I just got to like touch it. And then I'm just going to very, very lightly take the bristles, ends of the bristles, and just like barely touching my skin. It takes my breath away. A perfect smoke. It's getting so hot in here. I also am a firm believer that your lashes... Hi, Patty. Hi, baby. This is Patty. His full name is Fitzpatrick. And he just kind of wanders in whenever. Right, pup? My BFF. So already, like, look at the difference between my lashes on this side and this side. Another point I want to make is I like to guide my lashes out this way rather than up. So, which my lashes kind of go that way anyway, so it's like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Dropping shit. You know how people like to watch like soap cutting videos? I like to watch people putting on I like to watch people putting on lip liner. Like it is so satisfying to me. Fucked up so badly. I'm gonna add some freckles too. So this is it. Super easy and cute, kind of cute, if you know what I mean. And I don't know what else to say, so... But seriously, if you guys want to see something specific, please let me know and I will do that. And I know a couple people said they want to see skincare, but I don't really like, I'm not really like that, I'm not really that knowledgeable on skincare, but I'll show you what I use and I'll tell you what's worked and what hasn't worked for me. And then I kind of want to know what has worked for you guys for your skin in the past, because I have been getting like random breakouts and just it's been really frustrating because I don't know what's causing it and I don't know, like, nothing's really been working for it. So but yeah, let me know. If you liked this video or if it helped you at all, please like and please follow me so you can see any other makeup videos I have coming up. I'll see you soon. Bye.